Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. General Accident Insurance Company is looking at opportunities to expand regionally. The company says this is a large part of the reason it transitioned to the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. September 30, 2011, General Accident Insurance Company listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. 12 years later, the company has moved up to the main market, signifying the company's growth.
We have over the years presented above average ROE. As said before, we are CARICRIS A rated. We provide consistent dividend distribution. We're a market leader by gross written premium, as we have 20 to 22% of the market share, and we have end-to-end digital channels. In terms of our regional footprint, risk diversification, we look to enjoy some economies of scale, and we see a potential upside from the Guyana expansion because within our other group companies do have business in Guyana.
General Accident Insurance Company also has a footprint in Trinidad and Tobago and Barbados. General Accident's Managing Director Sharon Donaldson says the company's transition to the main market was an important step.
It provides us with an opportunity to raise more capital, definitely equity capital, so we can continue with our expansion.
A part of that expansion is improving the company's online offerings.
Providing the insured with the opportunity to have a frictionless online experience. So they should be able to sit in their living rooms and take out an insurance policy for their car or their home, and being able to print off their own documents and save the hassle with the traffic to come into our office.
Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street Forrest, says the move also gives credit to the JSC's junior market and its role in supporting the development of companies.
Because the intention, though not mandated, is for companies having spent a period of 10 years growing its business through mentorship, corporate tax concession, the plowing of profit back into that business, the use of equity funds raised at the inception, that they will now be ready to claim their places on the main market.
She says 16 companies currently listed on the junior market have passed the 10-year mark where they receive certain benefits, to include a corporate tax holiday. Some more company news. Kenroy Carr has been officially appointed Chief Executive Officer of microcredit institution Dollar Financial. The appointment became effective September 29. Now, Mr. Carr was appointed as interim CEO at the end of July after the resignation of Dollar's founder and former CEO Kadeem Mayers. Mr. Mayers said he needed time to focus on his other company, Dequity Capital. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.83, reflecting a 40-cent depreciation in the value of the local currency. $114.31 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $189.14, while it's costing $161.74 for the euro. And the JSE index lost 792 points today, while the junior market index declined by 9 points. Among the 49 winners were JMB Group 5.75% US dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, Access Financial Services, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Caribbean Producers and Consolidated Bakeries. The 48 losers were led by Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, Kingston Properties, Palace Amusement, Salado Foods and Foss-Rich Company. 11 stocks ended the session at the same price they started trading on Tuesday. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.